everyone. So now I will show you the water solubility experiment. So here are the samples. This is the oil, the kerosene, the NaCl or the salt, the powdered milk, the alcohol, and the vinegar. Now it's time to pour 2 spoons of water in each sample.
First sample, cooking oil plus water. Second sample, kerosene plus water. Third sample, salt plus water. Fourth sample, powdered milk plus water. Fifth sample, alcohol plus water. And the last sample, vinegar plus water.
The next step is to stir all the samples with the distilled water.
Carefully and totally mix all the samples to identify if it's soluble or insoluble. After stirring all the samples, now let us identify if it's soluble or insoluble.
So now the last step is to observe the solubility. Oil with water is insoluble, kerosene with water is insoluble, salt with water is soluble, milk with water is soluble, alcohol with water is soluble, and vinegar with water is soluble. Let's proceed to the experiment number 2. The first thing to do is to drop water on the foil.
As I observed, the water formed big and small beads.
Here are the 2 disposable glass with water and the 2 paper clips.
Put the paper clip below the surface of the water, then release it.
Place the paper clip carefully on the surface of the water. I observed the first paper clip sink and the second paper clip float. Now let's proceed to the procedure number 3 using acetone. Let's pour acetone on the disposable glass. Hold the paper clip below the surface of the acetone, then release it. This time, place the paper clip carefully on the surface of the acetone, then release it. As I observed, the 2 paper clips sink
And the 2 procedures are the same, and the 2 paper clips sink.
Now our experiment is done. Thank you so much for watching!